n, and this notation we will always use by solving the problems and the conceptual discussions. Like here on the number line, you can see 0 is the neutral point and called co-initial point, initial point, the reference point, and the origin. So 0 here is the point, and right side of the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the points which have been plotted on the right hand side of 0 on the number line, and all the numbers are positive here, and in the left side direction means leftward of the 0, all the numbers are negative. So now we are just highlighting the natural numbers on the number line. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the positive natural numbers. You can see by highlighting through the red bubbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the positive natural numbers. Now using the numbers given, match numbers into pairs that multiply together to give the following product below, like 63, 48, 36, 10. The factors are 5, 9, 8, 12, 7, 8, 3, 2 and 6. Now we are just observing that here we have to use these numbers to form the numbers here, 63, 48, 36 and 10 by product of the given numbers. Like 9 and 6 will form 63 in product form. Same here, 8 and 6 will form 48. Same here, 9 and for 36, 6 and 6 itself, and 12 and 12 and 3 will form 36, and for 10, 5 and 2. So here we can form the numbers by using the product of the given set of numbers. Now a factor of a number divides exactly into that number, leaving no remainder, and we have to see that the statement is true or false. 4 is the factor of 20, so this is true. Now 3 is the factor of 34. This is not true, this is false. 34 is the number, and 3 is not the part of the multiple or the factor of 34, so this is false. 1 is the factor of every number, this is true. Every number is a factor of itself, true. Another word for factor is divisor, true. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 16. The factor of 16 are 4, 2, 16 and 1. So this is false statement because 7 is not the factor of 16. So this is false statement. 3 into 6 is a pair factor of 18. This is true statement. So we can see the simple examples. Now factors of 10 are, and factors of 20 are, and you can see factors of 10 are 2 and 5, and factors of 20 are 2, 5 and 10. So here you can see 2, 5 and 10 including 1, and 2, 5, 10, 21 and 4. So here the factors of 20 are, and the factors of 20 are here, and there are some common factors like 1, 5, 2 and 10. Which number is the highest common factor? So here you can see the common factors are 2, 5, 1 and 10, and which number is the highest common factor? So 10 is the highest common factor.